Hello, this is Elaine Shauger. Come to sga.gov. Dan Shauger, your Master Pro at the Down Under Net. He has Academy School, over 300 online course. That means when you purchase something, you can watch it on your phone at the driving range. We do have the PGA pros order our books and DVDs because they do not know what Down Under Net is. We do teach a different way of putting. So everything about our swing, putting, bunker shots, everything is completely different. So if you're ready to learn something new, Dan Shauger's your coach. He's going to teach you how to hit it off the right side of the body without doing the rollover with your arms and hands. Plus, left knee bent, right leg straight, legs back and forth, heels up and down. We do not keep our feet flat on the ground. Read my testimonials. There's seniors saying up and down with the heels. I don't croak the back and knees. Dan Shauger knows what he's talking about with his Down Under Net. I'm a senior, and Dan give me distance and accuracy with his Down Under Net. I'm in less pain now.